Welcome to country so small it fits entirely inside a single city, Vatican City. No highways, no farmlands, no airports, not even a hospital. Yet from behind these ancient walls, decisions are made that influence over 1 billion lives. Most see only the tourist side, but beneath the surface lie hidden chambers, secret archives, and a vault of documents locked away for centuries. The Vatican has no birth certificates, no native citizens. People aren't born here, they're chosen. It's the smallest country in the world with its own currency, radio station, and a justice system where one man holds absolute power. This isn't fantasy. This is Vatican City, a nation cloaked in faith, wrapped in mystery, and guarded by silence. How can a nation so tiny wield such immense global power? What secrets are held within its fortified walls? And who are the chosen few allowed to call this place home? Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating places. Let's begin our journey into the world's smallest and perhaps most fascinating country. The highlighted area shows Vatican City, the world's smallest country, consisting of just one church, St. Peter's Basilica. Vatican City covers just 0.49 square kilometers, about 121 acres, making it more a neighborhood than a country. Vatican City is a completely independent country enclosed within the city of Rome. Its borders are clearly defined by ancient stone walls that separate it from Italy. One step across this invisible line, and you're no longer in Italy. You've entered the heart of the Catholic world. Every inch is purposeful manicured gardens, cobblestone squares, and architectural marvels. It has its own head of state, currency, stamps, radio, and even a 300-meter railway. The Vatican's influence isn't measured in size, but in the spiritual authority it commands over 1 billion followers. No one is born a citizen of Vatican City. Citizenship is granted, not inherited. Only a few hundred people hold Vatican passports, mostly clergy and officials serving the Holy See. When their service ends, so does their citizenship. Even their children don't automatically become citizens. The Vatican is a theocracy, not a traditional nation-state. Its people are united by faith and mission, not ancestry. To be a citizen here is to be appointed to a purpose, not born to a place. The Vatican is a titan of art, housing one of the world's greatest collections. The Vatican Museums stretch for miles with over 70,000 works, 20,000 on display. At its heart, the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's frescoes awe millions. Art and faith merge here. The chapel is both gallery and sacred site. Beyond the chapel, treasures like the Raphael rooms and the gallery of maps showcase centuries of creativity. This is a living library of Western civilization, preserved by the world's smallest nation. The Vatican mints its own coins, Vatican euros featuring the Pope, prized by collectors. It has its own bank, the Institute for the Works of Religion, and even a Latin language ATM. This financial autonomy is a symbol of sovereignty. The Vatican blends ancient tradition with modern necessity, even in banking. Here, even the smallest details reflect a unique identity. The Pope's protectors, the Swiss Guard, look like they've stepped out of a Renaissance painting. Founded in 1506, they're the world's oldest and smallest standing army. Their colourful uniforms hide elite training in modern security and combat. Recruits must be Swiss, Catholic, and highly qualified. They're both ceremonial and formidable, blending tradition with 21st century protection. The Swiss Guard is a living symbol of loyalty and defense. The Vatican passport is among the world's rarest. Fewer than 1,000 exist. It's not something you apply for, it's bestowed in service to the Holy See. Passport number 1 is reserved for the Pope, though recent popes often keep their home country's passport. This document represents not just citizenship, but a mission and emissary of a global spiritual institution. It's a passport of purpose, not just nationality. Vatican City has fewer than 800 residents, but millions of visitors each year. On any day, tourists outnumber citizens by more than 20 to 1. The city's economy runs on this influx: museum tickets, souvenirs, donations. For residents, it's life in a fishbowl, sharing their home with the world. We've explored a nation of paradoxes, no native citizens, yet a leader to billions. A place of quiet tradition and global influence where every stone holds a story. The Vatican proves that size doesn't limit impact. It's a living entity: faith, art, and history concentrated in a tiny space. Creating videos like this takes a lot of time, research, and effort. So if you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot.